The center provides real-world experience for law students in transactional law. We provide our clients with a range of services from entity selection and formation to intellectual property protection to contract drafting to website reviews. We work with new clients that come to us really with a business idea and they're ready to get started, and the students do the work to launch the business from a legal perspective, to companies that have been around for a few years that have sometimes more sophisticated legal projects for our students to work on. We work with for-profit businesses, we work with not-for-profits and tax-exempt organizations.
It's not until I got to the SPOC that I kind of felt like I was a lawyer, or I was going to be a lawyer. I was able to do everything, or almost everything, that you'd need to do when you're starting a business from the legal side. So choosing your business entity and things like that.
I want students who come through the SPOC to really be a little bit better prepared to be transactional attorneys. Getting to set up a company, getting to work on an operating agreement, talking to a client about their intellectual property assets and how best to protect them and to make sure they're not infringing on anyone else's rights. So really to get a pretty broad experience and really get to touch on lots of different things that lawyers help their business clients with on a regular basis.
That face-to-face contact with the client, being able to get that while in law school is certainly going to help me, so that when I'm at my firm and the partner says, hey, you're meeting with the client today and you're on your own, maybe I won't be as nervous as I otherwise would have been.
There's so many companies that don't get started because they don't have legal support. So to the extent we can help entrepreneurs who are building companies that are going to create new jobs and help the economy and have a really positive impact on our community, that's a big priority for us.
I think students who are going into corporate law or into any other transactional area, having the transactional experience at the SPOC, which happens to be one of the very few transactional clinics in the country, is definitely going to be a leg up when students are looking for full-time positions.
And it's just an all-around terrific experience, both from learning about the legal issues, learning about the business models, getting to work with real people and develop interpersonal and interviewing skills, and gaining a lot of confidence as a student to know that when you get out of law school, you're going to be able to be a great transactional attorney and help clients build their businesses.